Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Aquarius Ascendant and the predictions for the month of October 2024. So for you, the Ascendant Lord continues to transit in a retro position in the first house till 14th of November. Saturn in the first house poses challenges to an individual and the person has to work really hard to overcome those challenges. In this month, Saturn is going to pass through the star of Rahu and this will dial up the misunderstanding related to the family and money flow. Your speech will become the source of confusion and misunderstanding, and it will be better if you think well on your words before you speak. If you are giving a formal lecture or speech, it will be better to relook at it before your final delivery. Saturn's retro position would mean any kind of a meditative practices will turn out to be very beneficial for Aquarius ascendant people. Sun's position last month would have created a difficult situation in marriage driven by ego issues prevailing from your spouse's end. This month, in the first half of October, you will see conflicts coming in from your in-laws. A lot of time in the life of an Aquarius ascendant people goes in managing their spouse and the family of the spouse, and the same show will continue till 16th of October. Venus is a highly benefic planet for you and it is going to occupy its own sign till 12th of October, and then it is going to move to the house of profession in the sign of Scorpio. Venus becomes powerless in the sign of Mars, and hence the desired benefits coming in the form of support from superiors and monetary benefits will not translate into action. However, Venus is going to aspect its own house from 13th of October because it will move to the 10th and will aspect the 4th house. So it is going to create opportunities to buy property between 13th and 19th of October. Mars, your 10th house lord, is going to become debilitated after 20th of October and is going to stay in debilitation till January 2025. So buying property after 20th of October is not as advisable, as a natural significator of land and property. Mars is going to lose strength. The sign owned by Mars, which is Scorpion, falls in the 10th house, so the entire focus will shift to the professional domain, especially if you are undergoing Mars's MD or Rahu and Saturn's MD, because three planets, Rahu through the ninth aspect, Saturn through the 10th aspect, and Jupiter through the 7th aspect, are going to see the 10th house, and the house of profession is going to get dialed up many folds, and you will see a major change in your daily work life or change in your image during this time. Since Mars is going to be debilitated in the 6th house, you would see conflicts coming into the picture in your professional domain, and you also need to look after your health in the next 3 months. Now, who are going to face this result the most? People who are undergoing Mars's MD during the time of October to June 2025 will see the results to be the strongest. This is going to be followed by people who are undergoing Saturn or Rahu's MD, because these are also considered to be separative planets. For rest of the people, the impact at a professional level will be milder in nature, but some kind of a change will definitely take place and you can observe it over the next 3 months time frame. Mercury, the fifth house lord, rules over education, speculation and creativity. It is going to be in its own sign till 9th of October, and then it is going to move to its friendly sign in Libra till 29th of October. So if you're a student, then 22nd and 23rd of October will be a good time to excel in studies. If you're a speculator, then only one day, 31st of October, is favorable, and it is better to stay away from the market because your ascendant lord Saturn is also in a retro position and is practically going to give you the results of 12th house. So you may end up taking a bad decision in the market, so it's better to not trade in the month of October. Rahu in your second house continues to transit through the star of Saturn. So if you are planning to go to a foreign country and you are undergoing Rahu or Saturn's MD, then this transit of Rahu will be beneficial for you to immigrate to a foreign country or go to that place for higher studies, especially if you are a PhD or a postgrad student. Jupiter through its ninth aspect is also going to boost the probability of settling down in a foreign country for you. There are certain days which you need to remain cautious of. 2nd and 3rd of October and 29th and 30th of October will be mentally stressful for you. 12th and 13th of October will be expensive in nature, and 24th and 26th of October will be a time where you need to look after your health. The focus is firmly going to be on the professional domain in the next 3 months, and most of you will see a certain kind of a change coming in your professional domain. Positive or negative will depend on your individual birth chart, but you will definitely notice some kind of an impact coming into picture in the next quarter. This is how the month of October is going to be. If you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much for watching.